In this video I show you what's new in AUTOPATTERNS 1.4.6 beta update. The software version you can find here in left lower corner. And let's start with the plotter setup. Click Settings and go to Add Plotters. Alright, my plotter is GraphTech and my model is CE5000 HPGL format. Make this plotter by default. Alright, plotter is set up. Let's go to pattern search. Here is the easy way how to find patterns. For example, we try to find Zikr 001. Just type it here and you see all Zikr in this table. Okay, go to the pattern. We need these lights. Okay, add it to pre-cutting board. Go to pre-cutting board. Here you can see virtually a film between these lines, and I use 24-inch roll. It's about 580 millimeters width. Use this button to accept. Alright, nest patterns. Okay, you can use arrow buttons on your keyboard to move patterns. I show you. Okay, I use arrows to move. All right, let's check the width of our set. Alright, we can see here that the width exceeds material width, so confirm button is unavailable now. So we need to nest our parts more precisely. Alright, okay, let's check now. Alright, 567. Good. So we can confirm printing. Alright. So I show you how to save this set. Alright. We need just to click this button, Save Sets. Give a name. Lights. Right. You can put comments here. Use your point and click Save. Okay, so to find your saved kits, go to Saved Sets here. So here is the date of our save. We can load it. Alright. See you next time.